For decades, Toyota has quietly excelled at one thing better than almost any automaker on earth: building powertrains that last. While rivals chased headline horsepower or rushed unproven technologies to market, Toyota focused on reliability, efficiency, and real-world durability. Now, in 2026, Toyota is pairing that conservative engineering mindset with something far more aggressive: a diesel-electric hybrid system engineered for massive torque. The result is a drivetrain industry insiders are already calling one of the most torque-dense powertrains Toyota has ever produced. And unlike experimental concepts or low-volume halo projects, this system is designed for trucks and heavy-duty global platforms vehicles, where torque matters far more than flashy acceleration numbers. This isn't Toyota dipping a toe into diesel electrification. This is Toyota going all in. At first glance, investing heavily in diesel when full EVs dominate headlines might seem counterintuitive. But inside Toyota, engineers see a different future, one shaped by real-world usage, infrastructure limits, and global demand rather than marketing trends. According to powertrain engineers familiar with the program, diesel hybrids solve a problem EVs still struggle with: sustained torque under heavy load. Electric motors deliver instant torque, but batteries drain quickly when towing, hauling, or climbing long grades. Traditional diesels produce massive torque efficiently, but face increasing emissions pressure. Toyota's solution is to combine both strengths while minimizing their weaknesses. As one senior hybrid systems engineer put it, diesel hybrid isn't about being trendy, it's about delivering maximal work per unit of fuel and doing it reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles. That philosophy defines the entire powertrain. At the heart of the system is a next-generation turbocharged diesel, likely in the 2.8 223s. Liter range paired with a high-output electric motor integrated directly into the transmission housing. This is not a mild hybrid. It is not a start-stop system. It is a full torque assist hybrid built to work under load. Key features include a heavily reinforced diesel block optimized for lower PM torque, an electric motor providing instant torque below 2,000 revolutions per minute, a high-voltage battery designed for rapid charge and discharge cycles, advanced power management software that prioritizes torque delivery over peak horsepower. Toyota focused less on headline numbers and more on how torque is delivered, especially at low speeds, exactly where trucks and off-road vehicles live. Torque is the currency of trucks. It determines towing capacity, off-road control, payload stability, and long-term drivetrain stress. This is where Toyota's diesel hybrid separates itself from gasoline hybrids and even many V8s out. Analysts estimate combined torque well north of 600 pounds FT, delivered almost instantly thanks to electric assists. But the real story isn't the peak number, it's how early and how smoothly that torque arrives. The electric motor eliminates turbo lag completely. From a standstill, it provides immediate twist while the diesel spools up. Once the turbo is fully on boost, the diesel handles sustained loads while the electric system manages transient demands, as one veteran drivetrain consultant put it. This is the kind of torque curve you usually see in commercial equipment, not consumer vehicles. Most hybrids are tuned for city fuel economy. Toyota's 2026 diesel hybrid flips that formula. This system is optimized for towing, hauling, and off-road work areas, where conventional hybrids often struggle. Under load, the electric motor reduces stress on the diesel during hill climbs, trailer launches, gear changes, low-speed crawling. The result is reduced transmission shock, lower exhaust gas temperatures, improved turbo longevity, more stable towing behavior in real terms, less strain, more control, and longer component life. Exactly what fleet operators and long-term owners value most, despite its torque focus. Toyota expects the 2026 diesel hybrid to deliver 15 to 25% better fuel economy than comparable non-hybrid diesels, especially in mixed driving. The electric motor handles low speed and stop and go conditions where diesels are least efficient. The diesel dominates highway cruising and sustained loads where it is most efficient. This allows Toyota to slightly downsize the engine without sacrificing capability, a strategy it has perfected in its gasoline hybrids. Hybridization also keeps the diesel operating in its cleanest, most efficient zones more often, helping meet emissions targets without resorting to overly complex aftertreatment systems. While Toyota hasn't officially confirmed every application, industry consensus points to next-generation Land Cruiser variants, global Helix and Helix-based SUVs. Heavy-duty Prado and Fortuner models select Lexus off-road and luxury SUVs in diesel-dominant markets like Australia, the Middle East, Asia, and parts of Europe. this could become the premium powertrain choice. There is even growing speculation about eventual North American applications as towing demands rise and efficiency regulations tighten. Toyota's 2026 diesel hybrid won't dominate dragstrip headlines or social media hype, but from an engineering standpoint, it may be one of the most important truck powertrains of the decade. It delivers massive, instantly accessible torque. It improves efficiency without sacrificing durability. It solves real-world problems for towing, hauling, and off-road use. In an industry racing toward electrification, Toyota has once again chosen the harder path, building a system that works not just impressively, but reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles. If torque, control, and longevity matter to you, Toyota's 2026 diesel hybrid truly deserves the title, a torque monster.